What's going on, guys? It's Copy again, back with another weekly video as promised. Today's gonna be a nice little canyon ride. Just wanted to record like a couple pulls here and there, nice little corner cutting. The car does not have tires, so we want to be a little bit safe. So we're gonna stay within our limits. No limit testing today. But we can still have some fun. Let's roll down the windows. She's still happy. I don't know, today has like a nice little snap to the car. Certain days the exhaust sounds different, which is kind of why I like my setup. And I've been getting a couple of comments and DMs asking for my setup, so I think coming up soon I'll record a video. It's a very budget-friendly setup. It sounds amazing. It's like a whip crack, dude. I fucking love it. But yeah, obviously guys, we are in Mexico. Well, thank you. Mexico looks a little different though, I don't know, I haven't been here in a minute. They have like the same stop signs in America, and they use English words now too, which is pretty interesting. Now I did get pulled over here like 2 days ago on this little turn over here that comes up to a stop sign, so I'm gonna stay a little chill. But yeah guys, really good news. On Friday everything's gonna be delivered to my house, so I'll have my springs, my spacers, and my headlights, and they might get installed the same day or the day after. So I'm gonna record a video on that. Fitment's gonna look amazing. Stop sign, so is that a cop again? No, the cop was right here, and I was high beaming the stop sign. This is all allegedly, by the way. I don't know if this story's true or not. I was high beaming the stop sign to let him know I'm gonna be passing it, but I didn't know it was a cop, and then he just pulled me over right after. Very cool guy though, no ticket, nothing. He just told me, like, you know, be careful. And that's about it. He respected everything, and I respected him too. This will be a short video though, guys. I promise. I keep saying that I'm gonna have a short video and then I film 45 minutes to an hour of content. This is just a nice little short drive. I think short form content works better. I believe like maybe 8 minutes is like the nice mark where people keep their attention and it doesn't get boring, you know? This festivity. I don't know if I even pronounced that right, but I love when people put lights on their houses and like show some spirit. It's nice, man. When I have my house, I'll definitely do the same. Having your nice little community, it's gonna be cute. The car sounds insane today. The weather's perfect, it's 50 degrees. So, it's a little angry. I am the second owner to this car, and it's like a low mileage example, very clean and all that. And contrary to popular belief, I do take care of this car a lot. I haven't passed 7,000 RPMs at all in my ownership. And obviously there's gonna be like those people that don't even have a car and they're like, oh, why would you buy the car and not hit 8,500 RPMs? Talk to me when you have an E92 M3 and then you can bash on me a little bit. But when you do own one, you will understand. Let me take care of the maintenance first and then push the car. So I plan on getting the rod bearings done at 40,000 miles, and a lot of people recommended to replace at around 60,000 miles, but the way rod bearings work is the harder you drive, the quicker they wear out. So I don't know how hard the previous owner drove, so I'd like to do it as like a nice little preventive maintenance. So once I do the rod bearings, yeah, we'll see 8,000 RPMs, but even then, man, I don't know, I just like babying this car. As much as I'm, you know, sliding around having fun, the RPMs stay low, and, you know, oil change I do around every 4,000 miles. So this car is my baby, it is my daily driver. I'm putting like, I think like 2,000 miles a month on this. So I'll do like cute little reviews, like 50,000 mile ownership, 100,000 mile ownership. I can show cost breakdowns and everything for you guys down the line. But yeah, guys, I think that's gonna be the end of the video. So again, this should be a short video as promised. Yeah, I just wanted to get out for a drive, record it, you know, show you guys the car yet again. I do have very good news on top of the lowering and everything that's going on. We're gonna get some higher quality content either in a week or two. So I placed my order for some high quality microphones and a high quality recorder as well. We're gonna get binaural audio. What that means, guys, is you're gonna hear the car exactly how I hear it, sort of in like a nice three-dimensional space. So whatever I hear on the left side, you guys will hear it on the left side. Whatever I hear on the right, you guys will hear it on the right. So it's gonna be very much more immersive, and I'm very, very excited. I'm, you know, investing money into this because I know the return's gonna be tremendous. It's just the grind, and that's all it is. I want to thank you guys a lot. Every single video I feel like I'm thanking you guys, but that's how it is, you know. This channel's progressing so fast. To date, we have 82 subscribers. We're nearing in on 100 already, and I've been posting videos for maybe 2 months. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys for being here before we blow up. I'm gonna stay the same, guys. I'm gonna be genuine. I'm not gonna change myself whenever we do blow up. It's honestly gonna be the same type of content, same connection. I want a more one-on-one connection with you guys. So when I'm saying thank you, I genuinely mean you. Like whoever's sitting down right now watching this video, thank you. I appreciate it. I seriously do. Please do like it though, because liking the video like boosts my channel an insane amount. So yeah guys, we'll do a little pull over here and end the video out. Alrighty guys, peace out.